In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to board view in Wrike. If you're used to working in lists or tables, switching to a board layout can make it much easier to visualize your work, especially if you manage tasks using stages like to do, in progress, and done. Board view in Wrike is designed exactly for that kind of workflow, so let's walk through how to get there and what to look out for. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you've opened the space, project, or folder where your tasks are stored. You can only change the view for the location you're currently in, so confirm you're in the right place before you switch. At the top of your workspace, you'll see the View Options bar. Depending on your current setup, you might be in Table View, List View, Gantt Chart, or another layout. What we want to do is change that to Board View. Look for the option labeled Board. This is usually displayed along the row of view choices near the upper part of the screen, next to other view names. It may be shown as a tab or as a button, often with an icon that looks like columns or cards. Once you've located it, simply click on Board. Wrike will automatically switch from your current view to the board layout. Give it a second to load, especially if you're working with a large project or a lot of tasks. You should now see your tasks organized into columns. Each column represents a particular workflow stage, and each task appears as a card within those columns. If your project has custom workflows set up, those stages will show up here. You can drag and drop cards from one column to another to quickly update a task's status. If you don't immediately see the tasks you expect, check that you're in the right folder or project, and review any filters that might be hiding certain items. Sometimes filters, like assignee, status, or date, can make it look like tasks are missing, when they're just being filtered out. From here, you can continue managing work visually, moving cards as progress is made, and opening any task card for more details when needed. That's all it takes to switch to board view in Wrike and start using a more visual